Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Natural Healing Guides, your cozy corner on the internet for all things healthy and natural. If you're just stumbling upon our channel, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. You're about to embark on a journey filled with nature's secrets to better health. Today, we're talking about one super herb that's going to detox your liver and fire up your metabolism like never before. So buckle up and let's dive in. Picture this. Your liver is like the unsung hero of your body working tirelessly. But even heroes need a helping hand, right? That's where our star herb of the day comes in, milk thistle. This isn't just any thorny plant. It's a liver's best friend and a metabolism booster. Now let's talk science, but keep it fun. Milk thistle contains silymarin, a group of compounds said to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which is basically like giving your liver a shield and a sword to fight toxins. Think of silymarin as your liver's personal bodyguard, keeping those harmful toxins at bay. But how does it help your metabolism? Well, a healthy liver means better detoxification processes in your body, leading to improved metabolism. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. Detox your liver and give your metabolism a nudge. Incorporating milk thistle into your daily routine is surprisingly easy. You can find it in capsule form, as a tincture, or even as tea. Imagine sitting back with a cup of milk thistle tea, knowing you're sipping your way to better health. Speaking of great products, we've carefully selected a few milk thistle supplements and teas that we believe are the best out there. You can find their links in the description box below. If you choose to try them out through these links, you're also helping support our channel. So a big thank you in advance. Now, let's sprinkle in a bit of humor. If milk thistle was a person, it'd probably be that one friend who's always looking out for you, making sure you're eating right and not overdoing the weekend parties. It's like your liver's caring but overprotective buddy. But wait, there's more to this herb than meets the eye. Did you know milk thistle also has skin benefits? Yep, it's true. By supporting liver health, it indirectly helps your skin look healthier and more radiant. It's like a beauty treatment from the inside out. Of course, it's essential to remember that while milk thistle is fantastic, it's not a cure-all. It works best alongside a balanced diet, regular exercise, and let's not forget plenty of water, because hydration is key. And here's a little tip from me to you. Always listen to your body. If you have any medical conditions or take medications, a quick chat with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, including milk thistle, is always a wise choice. Now, for the curious minds out there, let's delve a bit deeper. You might be wondering, can a simple herb like milk thistle really make that much of a difference? Well, imagine your liver as a busy airport. Just like how air traffic control manages countless flights, your liver is constantly filtering and processing what goes in your body. Milk thistle comes in like an expert air traffic controller, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. It's like giving your liver an assistant who works 24/7. Talk about employee of the month, right? But let's not just stop at the liver. Milk thistle is like a multi-talented artist. It doesn't just sing, it dances, acts, and even does magic tricks. Apart from boosting liver health and metabolism, this remarkable herb is known for its potential to lower cholesterol levels, support bone health, and even provide some cancer-fighting properties. It's like finding out that your humble next-door neighbor is actually a superhero in disguise. Now, while we're singing praises for milk thistle, let's bust a myth. Some say natural remedies don't mix with modern medicine. But hey, who said it's all or nothing? Think of milk thistle as part of your health ensemble, not a solo performer. It's about creating a symphony of wellness, where every element, from diet to exercise to herbs like milk thistle, plays its part in harmony. And for those thinking, herbs are so yesterday, let me tell you, sometimes the old ways are still the best ways. Our ancestors weren't just shooting in the dark when they used herbs like milk thistle for health. They were onto something big, and now science is catching up to prove just how right they were. As we're nearing the end of our milk thistle saga, remember, your journey to health is like a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and consistency are your best buddies here. Whether you choose to make milk thistle a part of your health routine or not, always approach your wellness journey with a balanced and informed perspective. Before we say our goodbyes, I want to take a moment to thank you for joining us today. If you loved what you learned, show us some love back with a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Your support means the world to us and keeps this channel thriving. Got any more questions about milk thistle or other natural wonders? Or maybe you have a miracle herb of your own that you swear by. Don't keep it a secret, share it in the comments below. Let's spread the health, one comment at a time. As we part ways, remember, taking care of your health is the best investment you can make. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep supporting channels like ours that bring a pinch of nature's goodness to your daily life. Thanks for watching, thanks for engaging, and thanks for being the health-conscious and awesome person you are. Until next time, keep thriving and let nature be your guide.